trees, and then trees. Leaf. Leaf. Yeah, leaf. And then
So many kinds of leaf. Coconut milk.
yeah, coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Yeah. And then can boil. Boil.
Boil it.
Yeah, boil until 2 hours.
Wow.
Okay, it's so so this is not too spicy. And so the sweet is very tough. Spicy.
So it's hard because it takes a long time.
Yeah. Very hard. I
Wow.
can make. I can do it.
Is that what you wanted to bring?
Yeah. I just try. Because my grandma can do it.
Okay. Thank you for sharing what you wanted to
Yeah.
bring.
Thank you. I really do
Next
that.
time we'll probably eat it.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's do
Okay, thank you.
stone cake. Let's do stone cake.
Oh, you eat your stone
Yeah.
cake? Really?
If you never eat that.
You never eat it before.
You ate that the first time, and you got mixed right. You hot
You depend how you will manage this thing or not. Because basically the same. Because you cannot eat your own cheese.
Right.
You will put your own cheese.
Really?
Yeah. Very hard.
Wow.
That is flavorful.
Right.
We can eat it somewhere. Maybe some restaurant. But then you can bring the food.
Okay.
Actually, I love any fish. I love fish. I like it. Yes. So I love a lot of fish.
Fish?
A lot of fish. I like it. And sometimes, usually in Indonesia, we eat this using rice. But sometimes I eat only fish, no rice. No rice, just eat one by one.
Do you like it fried? Do you like it grilled?
I like rice.
Fried?
But what I like is fish.
Yeah, but do you fry the fish? Do you grill the fish? How do you like it? How do you like them cooked to cook it?
Cooks, no way.
Anyways. Okay.
And again, spicy food, especially nasi padang. Chili, have a lot of chili, green chili.
Green chili.
I love it. And vegetable, the most I like. And again, fruit.
Also,